Okay, well, here we are, the moment of truth for the bow. Now some things have changed, unfortunately. And one of those things, there's two major things. One, it's not going to be a pyramid bow. I was at Home Depot looking for some boards, and the thickness of board that I needed, width-wise, they didn't have. So I went with a thinner piece, this, make sort of a traditional, longbow. But we went with birch, it was much easier, and this piece that I found, has amazing grain. So, yeah. But basically what we're gonna do right now, I actually got it and I cut it in, I just got done using the table saw and I forgot to start filming. But this was the board originally and I cut it in half. Well, this is thicker, but I cut it so I can actually make two bows if I wanted to. So we'll see. If one breaks, I have a backup, which will be the thinner one. That will be my backup. But right now, we're working on this one. It is birch. The grain looks really nice. And what we're going to do now is we're going to mark out the center point and what our handle dimensions are going to be. So here we are. This is the whole piece. There we are at 34 inches. Let's push that back a little bit because it was a bit more. Grab our marker. And we'll just mark right here. That's our center. Alright, so now that we have our center, we're going to make a 6-inch handle. So you just want to, very simply, just measure out 3 inches. And you'll just want to go 3 inches in both directions. There's that. And there's that. So that that is going to be where our handle begins and where our handle ends. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take anything flat and you're going to want to measure your taper. Okay, so I got them marked out. So now what we're going to do is, what I like to do is use a razor. A lot simpler, but it also has its downsides, just like everything. But yeah, I'm just going to go across this and we're going to take off and then sort of get down to that shape. Done. Got it tapered on the sides. I don't know if you can tell, but we got that. Yeah, you can tell. But we're going to refine that, and we're going to refine the taper on the belly. Just take some sandpaper. And you're just going to make all these edges even with each other. That way, it's nice and even with everything, and everything sort of coincides with each other.
Phenomenon, rapping to the beat.
Okay, so now I made a quick handle, just real quick. So we're gonna find where we made our marks for the handle. I'm just gonna set this up to fit a little bit over that. It's gonna go over a bit, about an inch, almost an inch over. And we'll mark where that was. So now we got our guidelines for what that was. Now what we're going to do is we're going to thin out the handle, because if we were to try to hold it normally, it's just too wide to sort of do anything. So we're just going to have to cut that down and make it a bit of a hourglass shape a little bit. Okay, we're back inside because it's raining, and yeah. Anyway, we got this, like I said, we sort of thinned this out. I thinned out the handle and here. It's sort of hard to tell a little bit with this jute wrap, but what I did, it's actually, I just sort of, like I said, that hourglass shape a little bit, where it just sort of thins and then gets thick again. But it's actually really comfortable in the hand, so that's good. Out of focus, that's always nice too. This thing is looking good so far. The handle's glued, and the jute also helps, that jute wrap, it helps it just sort of stay together, and I'll just keep it on there anyway because I like how it looks. I also put on some tip overlays, just real rough right now. Those will be sort of fixed later, but right now it's just there for temporary. And then I have yet to cut the notch for the string notches in, but yeah, I'll do that probably tomorrow sometime. But yeah, I'm liking how it looks. So I'll probably just end this video here, and then tomorrow I'll get my tiller set up ready, and then we'll go ahead and see how this guy does. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode.